Hi, I'm Ruth DeHoyas, and I'm here with Expert Village to show you how to do the perfect centerpiece for your bridal occasion. Okay, this is called Oasis, and it normally comes dry packed, and it comes in a block form. You can practically use any size that you want or any container. Today I'm just using this doggy bowl that we call a doggy dish, and it's just a plastic. You can use a ceramic, but if you're going to use crystal or any sort of nicer container, I would not use the Oasis and use some other form of leverage for the arrangement. This today I'm going to show you how to do. This is already pre-wet, pre-soaked, and how to shape your bowl. Normally you just take the block and you cut it in half. Okay, you cut it. It already has lines and it's pre-lined for you, so you're just going to do like so, and then just slip it in here.